Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. So today we do cook fried rice. We have rice and we have different kind of vegetable and meat and shrimp. So this is what we will do. So we will prepare some meat sauce, some shrimp ready, some fried egg ready, and vegetable ready, and then put the rice in. So first, let's cook the meat sauce. You can see when you cut, you will not cut your hand if you use this finger part to protect your hand. So it's thin like julienne and thin like thread. Look at it. So we put half of it, half of the ginger in, and cut some little onion. This is good. Also, we have already turned on the fire. Now we put the onion in. Now a little bit more is okay because this is a meat sauce. We use it to produce a lot of flavor. Salt. Hello. Bye bye. Pepper. Hello. Bye bye. That's a lot. Bye bye. Hello. Put 2 or 3 spoons of cooking oil, as you can see, cooking oil on the bottom. And time to say hello. Hello, salt. Salt and pepper. Make it simple so that you do not have too much flavor, too strong flavor. Give it another chance. That's good. Okay, leave it like this for another 2 or 3 minutes. See you later, alligator. For today, put in the mushroom. Okay. We turn the fire stronger, taller and stronger. A little bit more cooking oil, just a little bit more cooking oil. Taller and stronger. A little bit more cooking oil, just a little bit more cooking oil. A teeny tiny little bit more. This is our meat sauce. This fire is not very strong. we can change to a stronger fire. Now we switch to a strong fire. This one is cooking the shrimp. Look at it. Keep on. So we are on a stronger fire. Okay, we put some egg, which we already have done. Now we put in the rice. It seems we turn the fire slower. Put in the rice. Some chili sauce, anything you like. So this is about it. The fried rice with and also the last heating up, strong fire, heating up, caramel a little bit, crame a little bit of the bottom, which is the best part of this fried rice. And that is it. Okay, so here is the meat with veggie, with rice, and mushroom. They look a little bit similar, but you get the idea. You get the idea that everything is possible. You can use complete meat, you can use minced pork, minced chicken, minced meat, already cut meat like this, more vegetables. However much vegetable is your choice. Yes, just stir fry and that is it. Buon appetito!